Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet these beautiful flowers step by step. They are perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to any project. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, you shall love making these. Materials needed. First, let's gather our materials. You shall need yarn in your favorite colors, a crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. Step number 1. Making the magic ring. Start by making a magic ring. To do this, wrap the yarn around your fingers to create a loop. Insert your hook under the loop, yarn over and pull through. Then chain 1 to secure the ring. Step number 2. Crocheting the center. Next, work 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet to join the round. Step number 3. Petal formation. Chain 3 to start the first petal. Then work 4 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Chain 3 again and slip stitch into the next single crochet to complete the petal. Step number 4. Repeat for remaining petals. Repeat the petal pattern. Chain 3, 4 double crochet, chain 3 slip stitches in each single crochet around the circle until you have 6 petals in total. Step number 5. Finishing off. To finish off, fasten off your yarn and weave in any remaining ends using a yarn needle. Conclusion. And there you have it. These lovely crochet flowers are great for embellishing hats, scarves, blankets, and more. Experiment with different yarn weights and colors to create your own unique variations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on future videos. Happy crocheting! Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy crafting and filming. Thanks for watching.